In this video, I will walk you through installing Azure Toolkit for IntelliJ, creating Spark applications in Scala, and submitting it to an HDInsight Spark Cluster using Azure Toolkit for IntelliJ. There are two ways to start Azure Toolkit for IntelliJ installations. I will show you how to install the Azure Toolkit for IntelliJ from the Start screen in this video. Let me start the IntelliJ IDE. When the IntelliJ Start screen appears, click Configure, then click Plugins. In the Plugins dialog box, click Browse Repositories. In the Browse Repositories dialog box, type Azure in the search box. Highlight Azure Toolkit for IntelliJ, and then click Install. IntelliJ will display the installation progress in a dialog box. When the installation has completed, restart IntelliJ. When prompted to restart IntelliJ, click Restart. You can also install the Azure Toolkit for IntelliJ from the Settings dialog box by following the steps on the screen. More details can be found in the Azure online documentation shown on the screen. Now I'm going to show you the steps to create and run a Spark Scala application on an HDInsight Spark Cluster. Start IntelliJ IDE. Click Create New Project. In the New Project dialog box, make the following choices. In the left pane, select HDInsight. In the right pane, select Spark on HDInsight Scala. Click Next. A Scala plugin check message box pops up if the user has not installed Scala IntelliJ plugin. Click the Click link to install the Scala plugin. The tool searches for Scala plugin in the repository. The tool has found the plugin. Click OK to start the Scala plugin installation process. Click OK to close the previous Scala plugin check dialog box. Click OK in the Restart dialog box. Close IntelliJ. Restart IntelliJ. Click Create New Project and follow the steps again to create a Scala project. For the demo purpose, I am choosing Spark on HDInsight Cluster Run Sample Scala template. Click Next. In the next window, provide the following project details. Provide a project name and a project location. For Project SDK, use Java 1.8 or the Java version on your computer. For Spark versions, there are 5 choices available for Spark and Scala versions. Let me choose version 2.0 for this demo. Click Finish to finish the Scala project creation. The tool is now in process to create the project. At the bottom right corner, you can now monitor the progress of the project indexing, which resolves the dependencies and packaging work. Now I have created a project. If you click the project structure SRC folder, you can open pom.xml file to view the project dependencies. The Spark versions in the XML file are the same as the versions you chose previously when you created the project. If you click External Libraries folder, you can see all the Spark and Scala SDK related libraries have been auto-downloaded from the Maven repository and are included for the project. Please note that the project structure is the same as the Maven project structure, which contains main folder and the test folder. The source code is under the Scala folder. Here is our demo code. All the dependencies have been auto-resolved and the project is ready for submission. Right-click the project. Choose Submit Spark Application to HDInsight in the Spark submission window. Choose Spark Cluster. Make sure the Spark Cluster version matches the Spark version for this project. Choose the main class from the Select Main Class dialog box. Select the demo class and click OK. Click Submit to submit the Scala application. The HDInsight Spark submission window displays the application execution status. You can monitor the progress of the Scala job based on information here. Thank you for watching. Please start to use the HDInsight tool for IntelliJ to create your Azure Spark application. You can find the overview of Apache Spark on Azure HDInsight, HDInsight tool for IntelliJ documentation, and the source code from the links on the screen. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.